Hi everybody, this is Robert at Scott Leroy Marketing. Today we're going to show you how to add your Homekeepr vendor search widget to your eEdge website. This is the older website, not the newer Placester website. It's pretty easy to do. There's just some simple copying and pasting basically that needs to be done. Our first step is going to be to get logged into our mykw.kw.com homepage. Once we're on MyKW, in our eEdge control panel right here in the top center under My Marketing, we're going to click this plus sign just to the right. And then in this menu that drops down, we'll click on Manage eEdge Website. This goes into our eEdge database to the Website Administration section. Once we're inside our eEdge database, inside our website here, over on the left, we'll click on Pages. It says Pro here, but that just means additional custom pages are going to be paid for through Pro. But you can create one custom page on your free eEdge site. Now, this is going to be using up that one custom page. So if you add your vendors widget here from Homekeepr, this is the only custom page you're going to be able to have on your eEdge site. Or if you already have a custom page on your eEdge site, you cannot add an additional page for the Homekeepr vendors. You need to make a decision about which one you need to use. So we'll click on Pages here on the left, and over on the right here in the center, we'll click on Add New Page. It does say Pro, but we can add one additional page. We're going to name this something like Vendors or My Referrals or Service Providers, something like that. I'll call it Vendors. Then we'll tell it Save. And now once we're in the page here, in our page editor, we're going to click on this last button here that says Source Code. These two brackets side by side, that's the universal symbol for HTML code, and that's what we're going to be working in. And it's not anything scary. You don't need to know any coding. We're just going to be copying and pasting. So we'll click on that to open up our code button, or excuse me, our code box. To get the code that goes in this box for our widget, we're going to log into our Homekeepr account. So we're going to open a new tab and go to homekeepr.com. And you'll notice that Homekeepr is spelled funny, H-O-M-E-K-E-E-P-R. It's not P-E-R. That goes to a completely different website. It's homekeepr.com. On this page in the top center, we'll click on For Realtors. You are a realtor, you have a pro account. And then we'll click on Sign In right here in the center, this orange link that says Sign In. Now this login information should have been included in your MyKW Setup Complete email, but if we didn't do your initial setup and you don't have a Homekeepr account yet, you can create a free account through KW's subscription at homekeepr.com/KW. And you just create your account that way and you can add your vendors in that account. I'm going to get logged into my account here. We'll log in. Once we're logged in and it's passed any warnings or anything that it's showing you, back up here in the address bar, instead of home here, we're going to replace this with widgets, W-I-D-G-E-T-S. So W-I-D as in dog, G as in go, E, T as in Tom, S as in Sam. And this is our widgets page. And it's really, really simple to get the code that we need. We want this second section here that says Home Pro Search Widget iframe. We don't want JavaScript, we want iframe. We want to embed this into our site. And all we have to do to get this code is click on our red Copy Code button. You may not even get a notification that it's been copied, but that's all that needs to happen. You click on that button once. Then we'll go back over to our eEdge website administration here, and we'll just paste that code in. And that's the whole code there. We don't need to make any changes, just leave it exactly as it is. We'll tell it OK. Then we'll publish this page right up here. Once we've published our page, if for some reason adding a new page, it doesn't publish it right away, so we actually have to scroll down and save it, which is going to mark it as a draft. So we're going to have to go back and re-edit our vendors page. So we're here in Pages, we click our drop down, and we're choosing the last one here that says Vendors Draft. So we'll do that, and then we'll click Publish again. I know that we just published it, but that's just the way that the eEdge site is working right now. After we publish this, we should be able to go visit Scott's site, so this scottleroy.kwrealty.com. So now I have this new button in my menu here that says Vendors. When I click on that, here is my Homekeepr vendor search widget here, and it's embedded right inside the page. They're not leaving your page, they're not leaving your site, it's not a link to anywhere else. It's right here inside your website. That's how you can add your Homekeepr vendor search widget right inside your KW website through eEdge. If you have additional questions about that, or if you'd like us to do it for you, shoot us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.